Good afternoon. How are you? Which part are you in India? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in? Okay. You are from Odisha. Which part are you in Odisha? Yeah. Which part are you in Odisha? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Which? Okay. Which part are you in Odisha? Which part are you in Odisha? I am also from Odisha. That's why I asked you which part are you from Odisha? Yeah, which part are you in Odisha? Okay, are you student or are you working? Okay, which department are you working? Okay, are you working in private or government? Okay, how long have you been using this platform? Okay, how long have you been working in your department? Okay, then within 7 years, did you get promotion? Right now, are you living in abroad? Okay, which country are you living? Saudi Arabia. Okay, are you working in there? Are you working in there? Okay, so nice. Then do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with the co-learner? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I got your point. I'm also language learner. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform. I install in this platform around 1 week and I'm practicing here and I can understand because I'm a language learner. We don't get opportunity to interact with anyone in 24 hours in English, right? That's why we people depend in this kind of platform to interact with co-learner, right? It's a better, yeah, it is a better because you got a atmosphere in there, but you want to be fluent speaker, right? Right now you are a good speaker, you are a fluent speaker, no doubt, but you want to polish your fluency, right? Yeah, because you always interact with the foreigner and different country colleagues, right? Then you want to interact with them in a better way or professional way. That's why we have to talk and we have to practice with co-learner and language learner. It is a better for us to enhance our fluency and build our confidence, right? At least we should speak 10 to 20 minutes per day. Do you interact with anyone at office in English? Hmm, right. Yeah. course, definitely. At least as a Indian, we should learn 4 or 5 languages, right? Because we are, and India is a languages country. All state have different languages. Then at least we can learn 4 or 5 languages as a Indian. India is a languages country, right? Then can you speak Tamil and Telugu also? How did you learn Tamil and Telugu?
Tamil I very speak and understand and Telugu I understand but a little bit I speak. Bengali I speak and also Hindi and so
Mm-hmm.
only the my mother language so I know English little. So I think for two five language I know a little bit about that.
Yes, yes, I got your point because obviously you can understand and speak Bengali because Odia and Bengali speaking part 50% similar, right? We can understand but
Yeah,
we can't
yes,
speak
yes, yes.
like them. But our alphabet is different from Bengali language. Bengali alphabet is different and Odia alphabet are different, right? Like a Hindi and Urdu.
Yeah,
If you can speak Hindi,
yeah.
then you can understand Urdu, but their alphabet are different from each other, right? 100 to 10%. But speaking
Yes, yes.
part is a similar
Mm.
Urdu and Hindi, like that. Then I think you have a Tamil friend and South part friends. That's why you learn Tamil and you can interact with them in Tamil, right?
Yes, I also done this when Tamil Nadu, so that's why I know Tamil. So that is my school life, I think 5 to 6, 4 to 5 years I spent there. So
Mhm.
that's why I know Tamil because all of my friends Tamil people, so that's why I know Tamil how to speak and how to pronounce that word. So
I can understand because obviously, maximum, even though you see South part people after completing their graduation, they don't want to sit their state. They want to go to abroad and Gulf country, otherwise other part of India for their livelihood, right? Special South part
no,
youngsters.
no.
Huh?
South part, compared to South part, people have to be abroad. Suppose when they go to other countries, they will state. They don't go to other state. You never see any other, South Indian people. All of is country outside. All of the state, one state. Because they are all of too much work and also travel, employment there. So that's why they don't like to go outside. So living not also rather than go to abroad. I think don't you see that no outside and they are not South Indian people. I think less than 1% have their software and
Right.
also go to government.
Yeah.
That is why, but that is why but I think not the middle class in the population all of going to him and
Yeah.
but still he not can to do outside.
Okay, I got your point. I got your point. Because you wanted to tell me South part people they don't want to go to different state in India, right? Because want to
Yes,
stay
yes.
in their one state. Because you know India has 28 state, right? And 10 state are poor state in India like Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand, UP. Those state are poor in India, but south part
Now
all
UPI should not now. I think don't come. UPI now is too much high. Now UP can't be
right.
compared with last only three states: Jharkhand, Odisha, Bihar. Like that's it. Another country, another state can't compare with it. But too much is been now the money, GDP too much. I can't compare to three
I
states
can understand,
because
but
they are
economical,
providing.
yeah, economical graphs they represented those state are poor. But in this day, you see Odisha
Uh,
also growing, economically growing. People there, but even though you
uh,
see developed state in south part, all people want to go to there, and all Odisha people, maximum Odisha people migrate in south part, right? Because the developed state in India, in south part, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Surat, right, Mumbai, Delhi, those states are developed state. and all our entrepreneurs set up their business in there. They hire skillful employee from different state in India like Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha. All maximum people are migrant in south part and Gujarat and Surat. Even though you see, when came COVID, that's when all migrant people returned to home, right? In Odisha special. That's why I'm not telling maximum people they don't want to go to different state in India, but even though you see maximum people they want to go to also special Kerala people. After completing their graduation, they want to go to Gulf country, otherwise foreign country for their livelihood, right? Yeah, that's why, and we should learn also English language. It is a better for us. Special if we visit different state in India, special south part. If you go there, then if you don't know their native language and you don't know English, then you can't means survive in there, right? Maximum people they don't know how to speak Hindi in south part. Youngster little bit they can speak Hindi, broken Hindi, but senior citizen they don't want to speak in Hindi because South part people they don't consider Hindi is our national language. That's why language debate is here in India, right? That's why at least we should learn two, three languages as a Indian. Yeah. Did you finish your lunch? What time is there right now? Okay. Okay, your company provide everything, food, accommodation, everything. Okay, and when will you come to? Mm-hmm. Okay, I got your point. But when will you go come to Odisha? Per year?